Hello students, this is Mr. Pierce with part 3 of my video tutorials on microscopes. Part 3 we will be discussing the wet mount. So, to create a slide that you are going to use in class, we like to call those wet mounts. That's the most common type of way that we are going to view a specimen. First thing you are going to do is you are going to place your specimen on your slide, preferably in the middle, away from the edges. You will then take a Pasteur pipette and you will drop a piece of water or a droplet of water onto your specimen on the slide. Do not touch the dropper to the slide nor the specimen. To cover the specimen with the dropper, or to cover it with the cover slip, it is very meticulous and sometimes air bubbles are created. To avoid that, please view the image of the cover slip below. I will now move up here to allow you to see that image a little bit better. The best way is once you have your specimen in the center of your slide, you take your cover slip and you place it at a 45-degree angle. You will allow the edge of the cover slip to touch the water ever so slightly, and you will hold the cover slip at a 45-degree angle. Once you feel that the liquid has spread along the edge of the cover slip, you will allow it to fall onto the slide, thus preserving your specimen in the slide. So, here are the next two questions you are to answer on your notebook paper. Question number 1. What is used to cover the specimen on the slide? Question number 2. Why is it called a wet mount? You may pause the video. However, this has been pretty much the end of the video. This is Mr. Pierce reporting part 3 of how to use a microscope from my basement. You may now advance to part 4. Make sure you answer your questions. Goodbye.